Hey, this is Chap Nova. How would you like to get your own done-for-you vegetable gardening niche website? These sites can be used to make affiliate commissions, can be used to put Google AdSense, or even affiliate programs from Amazon. I'm going to show you one today that's a vegetable gardening WordPress niche website. These websites cost to get built around $500 to $1,000. So if you were to get a site like this built, it's going to cost you about $500 to $1,000 because you got to get the images done, you've got to get the articles written, and you've got to pay for the theme, the WordPress theme that goes with this. You can see here the quality of this vegetable gardening niche website. Okay, it's powered by WordPress. It is so simple to use, and once you have this site, you can start making commissions just by you adding in your affiliate information. In the WordPress members area, we have the tutorials that tell you how to do everything, how to get everything set up, how to add your ClickBank affiliate information, how to add and where to add your Google AdSense and Amazon affiliate information too. These sites, if you notice here, here's a banner right here. If you click on this right here, and someone bought something, you're going to make a commission. And this is through ClickBank. This is another one through ClickBank. Here's another one through ClickBank. These two right here are from ClickBank too. So if anybody clicks on these things right here, you're going to make commissions, okay? I just want to show you the quality of this right here. When you look at here, you're going to have to add your own about information because it's your site. You have a contact. Someone needs to contact and get a hold of you. And just gardening resources. See, this is what I'm talking about right here. Once you have your Amazon affiliate information, you can enter it here, and every time someone buys something from this page, you will earn commissions, okay? So you can see right here, growing vegetables. Here's another topic that shows the articles that talk about, growing vegetables. So you can see there's quite a few of them here. Gardening tools, articles about different gardening tools that you'll use, okay? Gardening basics. You can see the articles right here. And here's some more right here. Product review. Now, like I said, if you were to get this site built, it's going to cost you a ton of money. So let us do the work for you. And then you can take a site like this and add more articles. You can put your own touch to it. You can do whatever you want. You could even go on sites like Fiverr and sell it if you want, or you can go on Flippa or something like that, and you could sell this site over and over and over for whatever you want to do. You could sell it for $27, $100, $200, $300. You could just keep selling this exact same one if you wanted to, and just tell people what they need to do, and that's it. I mean, there's so many different ways to make money with this site. But like I said, people are going to be looking for, here soon, or just anywhere around the world at any given time. But they're going to be looking for how to, different how-to gardening vegetables and stuff like that. So your website right here, gardening pests, planting seeds, gardening tips to avoid fungus during summer. Let's see here. Picking the idea of location of your garden, picking the right gardening tools. I mean, there's just a whole bunch. Vegetable gardening, herb gardening, cultivation of vegetables, organic gardening, just a whole bunch of things. So when someone comes to this site, they're going to stay here for a long time because they want to learn, how to set up a garden, what they might want to do. So what I'm going to do for you today is, if you would like to get your hands on this vegetable WordPress niche website, I'm going to give it to you today, not for $27. I'm going to give you a promo code for 50% off. You can get the link to this website with the below this video, and we'll put a promo code in there where you can save 50% off. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go right here. So once you click the link below the video, you'll be taken to this page right here to buy this particular vegetable gardening niche PLR blog, okay? Once you're ready, just click buy, and you'll be taken to a secure checkout. All right. And then what you'll do is you'll just enter the 50% off code here, and what will happen is this will $27 will turn to $13.50. I will add that promo code below this video also. Just enter your email address, your first name, your last name. This email address is where you will get the gardening niche website delivered to you. Once you're ready, click purchase. This will take you to a secure checkout through WordPress. Once you pay for it, like I said, you will get access to this gardening WordPress theme, and you can start making commissions right away. It will not take you very long. What you'll need to do is, once you have it, you'll need to watch. Let me just go up here. It shows how to install the sites right here. It says how to install our done-for-you PLR niche websites. You can either read through all this. It's very detailed. It will show you exactly what you need to do. If you need hosting, this is who we use. We've been using them for over 15 years. All right. But if you're more of a person that wants to watch a video, this is a video I've set up, and it will show you exactly what you need to do. But once you have your WordPress set up, it literally will take no time at all, literally under 10 minutes. If you know what you're doing, it'll probably take you 5 minutes. But very simple. If you don't know what you're doing, you can go over to sites like Fiverr or Freelancer or something like there. Maybe pay someone somewhere between $5, $10, $15 to get the site set up. But you should be able to set the site up yourself with the instructions that I've done. And like I said, you know, if you purchase through here, we'll make a small commission. And like I said, it's very, very simple to set up these sites. You know, if you have any questions or anything about the site, what you can do is post some comments below this video, and I will get back to you. But we are here to help you, you know, with your new site and for you to have great success. But like I said, these sites are very expensive. They cost a lot of money for us to get developed, but we are passing on the savings to you. And like I said, you can take this site, resell it, do whatever you want with it, add new articles, do whatever you want to do, add your own touch. That's how these themes with this WordPress are so easy to use. But this vegetable gardening niche website, I think you're going to really enjoy, and a lot of people that will come to your site. Another way that you can actually start advertising your site very quickly is on your social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, you know, LinkedIn, or even Pinterest. You can start posting your articles. Let's say you click on this article right here. Someone comes to your site. Right here, once you add your Google AdSense, there will be ads that will show up right here. When people click on those, you will get paid commission, okay? Just scroll down, and then again, once you add your Amazon affiliate information, you will have your information showing up down here. So when anybody buys anything, you earn commission. Okay? Very, very, very simple. So like I said, if you have any questions at all for us, we are here to help you. And if you need any of the links to purchase this website, all you do is go below this video and click on the link, and the promo code will be below also, where you'll be able to save 50%, so you won't have to pay $27. You can pay $13.50. This is Chap Ornova again. Thank you so much for watching this video on pre-made vegetable gardening WordPress websites. Have yourself a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.